Hi there. What's happening? Yes, today, in the daily newspaper of it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, December the 2nd, 2023. Regular Sudokus we have here in this newspaper, daily newspaper. We have a binary, we have a medium a Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. There is also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8. So a lot of Sudokus to solve today. But the first one I will do is a binary a Sudoku, and this will be number 1956. And what kind of binary a puzzle is this one? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means, let me position the camera. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one and there one. Double one, here O, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. No. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here oh, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there no. Double one, here O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here O, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Then. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always a 1 and an O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright, so double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth O, fifth O. So this should be an 1, a 1, yes. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place a number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one without any comparing. Yes, you can solve this straight away. So this should be, yeah, a 1-star binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.